Hello viewers, welcome to Mojo for Industry. We are at the Sany India's booth today and we're going to showcase our viewers all the segments which are displayed over here, be it electric, be it excavator segments, the mining segments, the road equipments, the cranes and rigs, the port segments. So we will be talking with the executives who are over here, and we will be getting to know the products which are displayed over here. SY1350. Hello viewers, this is Neha here and I'm at the Sany's booth over here, and with me is Mr. Janak. He's the product head for the road division, and now he will be telling us about the road equipments which are displayed over here.
Well, you see here, this is the biggest plant, asphalt batch mix plant that we are launching in this exhibition. Earlier, before that in Boma, we launched our 120 TPH plant. This time around, we are launching our 180 TPH plant. This will be an asphalt plant which will cover the big expressways, national highways and state highways. The basic feature of this plant is it's fast. Fast means the preparation time will be reduced by 10%. And the bitumen consumptions and the fuel consumption for this plant is very, very minimal. So people are talking about the 5 liter per ton. This plant, if you are producing the asphalt, this will save you 1 liter fuel per ton. And this is a very highly modular plant. So of course, with the launch of this plant, we are looking for something around 10% market share this year.
And what are the other products for the road equipments which are displayed over here? Can you explain about them?
If you just see this paper, this is a 10 meter the track paper. 10 meter track paper. We just launched this year only in the Boma, but this time around we are just showcasing it because it's a big market in India. Whenever you are constructing a road project, whether it's for the national highway or the state highway or the PWD road project, you need to have the big the track paper finishers. When you are producing the asphalt, you need to again keep it the finish to the road. Then and then only you can see the big expressway and the highway with a smooth finishing. So this paper is our the butter for Sany India. So we are selling it like a hotcakes. And of course, with the launch of this paper, 10% market share is what we are looking for this year.
So I see a milling machine over here. So can you tell me about its features and what are your expectations by displaying it over here at EXCON?
You know what happens when you are constructing a road? After 2 years, you need to again go for a maintenance, because most of the time during the rainy season, you have the potholes or the crapping comes out on the road. So you need to have the maintenance of the road. For that, we normally use our milling machine. Milling machine does the work of milling the overall top strata, and then you can do the repairs. So we have launched 1 meter milling machine. This is a wheel-based milling machine. We have launched 1.3 meter milling machine, and this one is the bigger one, 2 meter milling machine. So in India, earlier we used to do it manually, but now this time around, because of the technology advancement, we are coming up with the milling machines for the overall road maintenance project, be it the national highway or the expressway. And this year, we are expecting something around 30% market share for this segment.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for joining us.
SY1350. आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा यार.
So viewers, now we are at the excavator segment, and we will be talking to Mr. Ulas, who will be sharing the details about the excavator segment which is displayed here at EXCON.
Yeah, good morning. In excavator segment, we have almost 11 machine in display, starting from 2-ton class to up to 390 class, which is the highest segment in our excavator division. That is a 40-ton class excavator. And we are also showcasing our 3 major range, which is our Spark series, Pro series and Jenny series. So we have our newly introduced model, that is SY150. We have a long boom, long stick for higher higher long reach application machines also displayed. So it's a mix of all technologies and high productive machines.
Right. Thank you so much, sir. So, any specific details or any specific machine that you would like to talk about?
Yes, we'll like to talk about this SY390 Grama, that is granite and marble quarry application with a very heavy duty undercarriage and high performing machine with a longer life.
Right. So viewers, after the excavator segments, we are at the rigs and cranes segments over here, and I'm with Mr. Pradeep, who will be talking and discussing about the products that are displayed and launched over here in this particular segment. So over to you, Mr. Pradeep.
Yeah, hi, thanks. First of all, welcome all of you to the Sany Bharat stall. I am Pradeep Srivastav. I am the National Product Manager for Cranes and Piling Rigs at Sany Bharat. What we have today is a very interesting exhibition of piling machinery. We have SH500, our diaphragm wall grab, which can do metro diaphragm wall construction up to 80 meters depth. This is one of the fastest production machinery for this kind of operation. Then what I have just behind me is our SR360 piling rig, which can go to the depth of more than 100 meters with an operating weight of almost 120 tons. So for rocky strata like Bangalore and other areas where we have rock conditions in the ground, this is the kind of machine that we use. Then of course we have a very interesting machine again, which is SR235DW. This is again a diaphragm wall grab machine which can be converted into a rotary machine. So basically what we see here is a grab, a rotary rig, a combination of both is this machine. So it's a very interesting concept that we have, SR235DW. And after that we have a small machine called SR65, which is used for piling work in residential construction. So what happens is now we are going to very high level of residential construction, which goes 20 levels plus, 30 levels plus, right? For foundation work of those buildings, we require piling rigs. But traditional piling rigs are very large, they are fuel consuming, they are more polluting. So we have developed a smaller model specific to that application. So that is about the piling rigs.
So you have launched these products over here right now in this EXCON?
So our SR235DW is a new introduction, but it is already market launched. Our SH500 was launched last year. So these are all already in the market. In fact, we have more than 20 such machines working in the country right now.
And so what about the crane segment? Have you launched anything over here? Can you talk about that?
Okay, so yeah, we are introducing for the first time in the country a 1,000 ton wheeled crane, which is our SAC 10000S. It's an absolute monster of a crane which can do windmill erections up to 140 meters height. It is used in refinery construction, bridge construction also. We are introducing an entire new range of crawler cranes called SCS series. It's our new generation of cranes wherein we are doing commonality of parts for our customers to have a better fleet management. And we are also pioneering in introduction of stage 5 truck cranes. So for the compliance part, Sany is very adamant on being ahead of the curve. So before the rules come into force, we already have our range over here. And we are also introducing an hybrid crane in 60 ton capacity, so which will have an electric drive in combination with the diesel engine to reduce the emissions, the pollutions and the noise and the cost of operation, basically to reduce that. So it's a very interesting mix of various cranes being launched over here.
So viewers, if you've missed any of the segments over here, you can come to Sany's booth where you'll get products which are displayed over here, which are emission-free, diesel generated, along with electrical segments. And you can come over here and talk to these executives who are over here on the ground to showcase their products to you.
1350.
So viewers, after the road segments, the excavator segments, the rig cranes, now we are at the mining segment, and I'll be talking to Mr. Soumya, who will be sharing about the displays over here at the Sany's booth.
Yes, actually we have a total product line for the mining. This is including our HY870E is a new product launch of this year, the electric excavator exclusively. Then we have a SKT105S with the 70 ton dump trucks. It's a new product this year. And there is a SY580 is there also. 580 it is from the 3.6 bucket. And then there is a new product launch is a 680 4.2 size. And then there is a new products of SY980. SY980 you have shown, this is the one the largest fleet we have. And the latest, the new product, the biggest in our mining family, it is a SY1350 HD. with 8 cubic meter plus buckets. These are new products we have launched or showcase. All together is a complete mining solutions for all the products line, for all one-stop solution and one window providing. We are at the from Sany India.
Right. So can you give us details about or features about the new launch, the machine that you're saying that is new to your segment?
This is a very there is basically the very two segment. What is specially this is one is the SY680 HD with a 4.2 bucket, and this is the hydraulic is completely now changed. That pilot line is completely changed with the electrical. This is a new generation of electrical systems we have implemented with faster response, better comfortability, high productivity. Back to back the same, the one of the big giant. So 1350 is just launched this year. It is a big bucket of 8.2 cubic meter. Okay, and this is one of the best productive machines as of now in the Sany portfolio in the mining, and hopefully it is segment, and it will be hopefully the one of the most inquiry and the customer having the lot of interest for these new machines that we have.
Hopefully it goes well. So viewers or customers who would like to use the big machine over here can come here to Sany's booth and just talk to the executives over here who can give you details and features about the new machine which is displayed over here.
First SY1350.
So viewers, after all the segments over there like excavators, the mining segments, the cranes, rigs, we are here at the electric vehicle which is displayed over here, and I am with Mr. Umakant who will be talking about the electric vehicle which is displayed over here. Over to you, sir.
Thanks. This year we have introduced electric restacker in Sany India platform. This is a new technology which is in line with the government's initiative of green port energy. We are right now more into the electric product solution for the container handling sectors, and this electric restacker will have the performance parameters, means operational efficiency will be around 70% less than the conventional diesel one. Less than the conventional diesel one. Here we are eliminating the engine and the transmission both, and it is completely battery powered, 507 kWh, and in one charge it can run up to 8 to 10 hours, and for one charge it take only 1.5 hours. So this will definitely bring a revolution in this container handling equipment. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
And viewers, as we conclude this live session from the Sany India's booth, we can say that the booth is packed with advanced road equipment, robust excavators, rigs, cranes, and impressive range of mining machinery, offering a glimpse into the future of construction. Our discussions with Sany India's executives has given us valuable insights into the company's dedication to pushing technology forward and shaping the construction industry's future. That's a wrap from Sany India's live session from EXCON 2023. Stay tuned with Mojo for Industry for more updates from this exhibition.